Well, welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Out doing some detecting and try and beat the rain. But anyway, as you can see, there's quite a lot of shrubs around here, pretty heavily wooded or forested, overgrown, whatever you want to call it. But I've found often these areas are the some of the most what do you call it, underworked areas, because they think, oh well, there's too much scrub here, not going to get a coil in there. But the last couple of videos I have actually found quite a number of nuggets, so I'm going to continue on working around this area, and yeah, hopefully I can pick up some more. So cheers, we'll get into it. Okay guys, so I've been going for a little while, and just a fair bit of junk in here, but I got this one target here and I've gave it a scratch and the target's still there, so fingers crossed we might be onto something. So haven't got a tripod yet, so I'm gonna have to, instead of boring you half to death, I'm gonna dig it up and then get it in the scoop. So yeah, it just saves time and fiddling around and all that. So alright guys, see you then. Hey everyone, so I actually hate pinpointing on gravel, because the more you move it around, the more the target, if it's lead or gold or whatever, it just falls between it, and it's just, you end up digging a bigger hole, and it's horrible stuff to deal with. But anyway, I have now got that target in the scoop. That's picking up my camera, so let's see what she is. Not that one, not that. Oh, I think I can see it. Is that it? Oh, it's getting loud. That's gold. Wow. Hang on, let's go. Oh. Look at that. That's as shining as... There we go. Focus. Hang on, I might stand up. Nice flat bit. That's what's giving off such a big signal. Yeah, real thin, shiny piece. So happy days. I'm happy with that. That'll probably be maybe 0.1 of a gram, maybe less. It's hard to tell with these big ones because they're flat and that, but yeah, that took me about 15 minutes just to get that out, because I just hate these rocks. But anyway, that's number one gold after about, I don't know, 10 bits of rubbish. So working for it a bit today, but if you can call that working for it, I don't know. Some people say the rubbish to gold ratio is about 100 bits of rubbish to 1 bit of gold. So, but anyway, you do get those days. Yeah, happy days. Thanks guys. Yeah, alright, so had this really loud target, knew it was going to be trash, and wasn't deep at all, but just thought it was interesting. Whatever this bit of relic is, very pointy on the side there, possibly broken off from something else, but interesting nonetheless. So I know one of the subscribers said they like to see relics more than the gold, so I thought I'd show this one off. So yeah, put that in the interesting finds jar. Yep, keep moving. Right, so I had this target in the just in this little mullic heap here. That's the little pothole there, and gave it a scrape, and would you know, well, this is what's come out. Nice flat kind of. Yeah, could have swore I heard someone whistle then. Yeah. Anyway, getting paranoid. So nice little target there. On to the next one. Okay, so I'm back at home now, and had to pull the pin because it was getting kind of wet and nasty, but didn't want to get my camera wet. But I did manage to find a few more nuggets, so I just wanted to show you that now. And hopefully you can see that. So there's that one there. That was probably the largest. I found that one, little one there. Some nice conglomerate pieces. So there's another speck in that. So probably end up crushing all them. There's another bit in there, and of course a nice big flaky bit on that one. So yeah, happy days, guys. No point in weighing that because I won't get an accurate reading anyway, because all the bits of ironstone and cement mixture, whatever you call it. Yeah, so happy days, guys. Thanks for checking out the video. Yeah, like, subscribe, comment, all that jazz, and thanks for checking it out. We'll see you on the next one too. So it's going to be raining for a while yet, so I'm not too sure how my video schedule is going to go, but yeah, I'll just keep making videos as I get out. So anyway, again, thank you for checking it out. It's interesting what this gold is in, actually. Yeah. Alright, see you in the next one.
When first I left old England shore, such yarns as we were told, as how folks in Australia could pick up lumps of gold. So when we got to Melbourne town, we were ready soon to slip and get even with the captain and scuttle from the ship. With his swag upon me shoulder, Black Billy in me hand, I travel the bush of Australia like a true born native man.